Hi everyone, it's Kath, and for today's tutorial we're gonna be doing a double crochet puff edge. So to begin with, we first have to do a double crochet stitch as our base, and we're gonna be working around that stitch. So to start, yarn over, insert the hook around the post, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook around the post like so, yarn over and pull up a loop, and now we have 5 loops on the hook. Now you're gonna yarn over one more time, insert the hook around the post, yarn over and pull up a loop, and now we have 7 loops on the hook. Now you're gonna yarn over and pull through all of the 7 loops, and there you have your first double crochet puff edge. Let's do that again. I'd like to chain 1, and now we do first our double crochet as the base, like so, and now you're gonna yarn over, insert the hook around the post, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook around the post, yarn over and pull up a loop, and now you have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over one more time, insert the hook around the post, yarn over and pull up a loop, and now you have 7 loops. Now you're gonna yarn over and pull through all of the 7 loops on the hook, and there's your second double crochet puff edge. I'll show you that one more time. Do the double crochet stitch as the base, like so. Yarn over, insert the hook around the post, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook around the post, pull up a loop, 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook around the post, pull up a loop. Now you have 7 loops. Now you're gonna pull through all of the 7 loops on the hook. And now you have your double crochet puff edge stitch. I hope you like this video. Please give us a thumbs up. Bye.